Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po ay magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa at tawa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Pumasok na po tayo sa ika-24 na linggo ng karaniwang panahon. Mga kapatid, huwag po nating kakalimutan magdasal at magsimba. Please forgive me. Madaling sabihin na, yes, I forgive you, kapag po hindi tayo nasaktan, kapag po hindi masakit yung nagawa sa atin. Pero napakahirap magpatawad kapag tayo ay nasaktan. Mga kapatid, last Sunday, our Lord Jesus Christ focused our attention to the importance of fraternal correction. Walang perpekto, lahat tayo nagkakamali, lahat tayo may pagkukulang, lahat tayo ay may kasalanan. At ang paalala ng Diyos sa atin, kapag nagkamali, kailangan itama. Ngayong linggo po na ito, our Lord is inviting us to focus our attention through the readings this Sunday to the importance of forgiveness. Nagkamali, pero huwag nating husgahan, huwag nating ikahon, kailangan natin magpatawad. Pero ito yung pinakamahirap gawin. Lahat tayo nag-struggle sa katotohanan na ito. Mahirap magpatawad. And why is so difficult to forgive? It is difficult to forgive because we are in pain. It is difficult to forgive when we are hurting. Because the natural tendency when we are hurt, we want to get even to that person. We want to get equal to that person. We want to avenge to the pain that we have experienced from that person. Kaya po, mahirap magpatawad because we are in pain. And we have to acknowledge that. We have to be aware that we are in pain. And so it's really difficult to forgive. Another reason why it is so difficult to forgive is when our pride gets into our nerve. It's difficult to forgive when our ego comes first than the well-being of the person. Kaya ayaw natin magpatawad, mahirap magpatawad kasi nauna yung pride natin. Tayo yung nasaktan. Kaya hindi tayo pwedeng magpatawad o mahirap magpatawad. Brothers and sisters, as we try to reflect on the importance of forgiveness through our readings this Sunday, ano nga ba itong itinuturo ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo na pagpapatawad? How should we understand this forgiveness which our Lord Jesus Christ would like us to imbibe as His disciples? Let us try to focus ourselves on 3 letters C. Una po, forgiveness is a choice. It is difficult to forgive when we allow our emotions to be in front of us. But forgiveness is only possible because we decided, we choose to forgive than to avenge. Kaya po sa ating unang pagbasa ngayon mula sa libro ni Sirach, pinapakita dito sa atin yung kahalagan na humingi ng patawad at handa sana tayong magpatawad sa mga humihingi ng kapatawaran. Well, we can forgive when we choose to forgive them. At ito yung pag sinabi nating it is a choice, it is a decision, meaning to say, we use our reason, and freedom. Kaya po ang pagpapatawad ay hindi sa pilitan. Ito ay nagmumula sa malayang puso. Nagmumula ito sa isang pusong maruno at pinipiling magpatawad o yung mas makakabuti sa kanyang kapwa-tao sa humihingi ng kapatawaran sa atin. Let us choose to forgive even if we are hurting because we know it is the best that we can do for ourselves. Pangalawa po, forgiveness is being charitable. But for whom? Yes, being forgiving is being charitable to the person we are forgiving, to the person that hurt us. But it is more charitable on the part of the person forgiving. Why? Because we are set free from the burden, from the grudge, from the vengeance, from our anger, from our intention to destroy that person. We are liberated. And so, forgiving is an act of being charitable not only to the person that hurt us, that inflicted pain in our life, but it is a charity for ourselves. Kaya po kapag nagpatawad pala tayo, mas gumagaan ang buhay. Masarap ng pakiramdam ng walang kaaway. Masarap ng pakiramdam na wala kang iniisip na sama ng loob. Ang gaan ng buhay kapag po pinapalaya natin ang ating sarili sa galit at sa paghihiganti. And so, our second point tells us that forgiveness is not showing that we are weak, na tayo ay mahina kaya tayo nagpapatawad. Forgiveness doesn't tell us that we are coward, duwag tayo kaya tayo nagpapatawad. Kaya po, papatawad tayo kasi we are afraid to confront the situation. But that is not true. Nor forgiving is an act of condoning the wrong or mistakes of other people. Na para bang okay na lang yung kanilang ginagawang kasamaan o mali sa atin. Hindi po yun ang forgiveness. Kaya po nauna yung fraternal correction. Itatama natin, pero bubuksan natin yung pagkakataon na magpatawad sa pagkakamali ng ating kapwa-tao. Forgiveness is an act of charity. Ang huli po, forgiveness is being Christ-like. Sabi nga nila, to err is human and to forgive is divine. Christ is telling us, if we are able to forgive other people, then we will also be forgiven by the Lord. Kaya po sa ating panalangin, sa ating the Lord's Prayer, forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. It is not a conditional offering of the Lord. Pero ito yung just kapag tayo pinatawad o nagpatawad, napapatawad din tayo. O kaya naman, pinapakita ng Diyos sa atin kasi tayo ay unang napatawad and then the Lord is sending us to be Christ to other people. Kaya po every time we look at the crucifix, our Jesus Christ hanging on the cross, isa lang naman yung mensahe niya napatawad tayo kasi nanaig yung pagmamahal niya sa atin. Ngayon, dahil napatawad tayo, nais ng Diyos na matuto rin tayo magpatawad. And so every time we forgive other people, we become Christ, crucified on the cross. Dahil mahirap magpatawad, masakit ang magpatawad, and so every time we forgive, we become like Christ being crucified on the cross. Kaya pala, ganun ang ibig sabihin ng pagpapatawad. Sinasalamin natin ng Diyos o tayo yung mismo nagiging Diyos sa taong napapatawad. Napatawad at tayo yung nagpapadama ng pagpapatawad na mula sa Diyos. Dear friends, yes, it's difficult, really painful to forgive. But let us try to focus our attention to these three letter C's. Forgiveness is a choice. It's a matter of making that leap of faith, that decision to choose the well-being the best. Forgiveness is being charitable not only to the person forgiven, but more so to ourselves. Pangatlo, forgiving or forgiveness is being Christ-like to other people, especially those who receive mercy and forgiveness. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.